everyone, it's Savannah from Vanillin Designs, and today we are making fabric twine. I made this fabric vase. Leave me a comment down below if you'd like the tutorial for this fabric vase, and I'll be sure to make one up for you. So first of all, you're going to want to take your fabric and cut slits 1 inch apart, and then you will rip right at your cut slits to make 1 inch fabric strips. And you can go ahead and make up a whole bunch of these strips. Take 2 strips of fabric and tie a knot about 2 or 3 inches from the top. And then you'll want to put it underneath something heavy. Take one of the strips of fabric and twist right several inches. And then do the same with the other strip of fabric. You'll want to twist right several inches. And then take both of the strips of fabric and twist them both together to the left. You want to pay attention to which direction you are twisting because you want it to go opposite. So you'll want to do each individual one to the right and then twist them both together to the left. This will help keep your twine intact. If you don't do it in the opposite direction, your twine will unwind. You'll want to make sure your ends of your fabric are different lengths. So if you reach the end and they come to the stop at the same time, you'll just want to cut one shorter. So when you get to about 1 inch or 2 above where you're at the end of your twine, you'll want to stop and cut a slit in the end of your fabric. So just fold your fabric and then cut a little slit in there. Take a new piece of fabric and do the same thing to both ends of that fabric. So you'll want to fold, cut a little slit. You can use any scrap fabrics you have or any ugly fabric you have sitting around your house. You'll take your new fabric and thread it through the old fabric in your fabric twine. And then take the end of the new fabric and feed it through the other end of the new fabric and pull. Don't pull too hard though because you don't want your fabric to break. And then you can go ahead and go back to twisting to the right on both strips and twist them both to the left to make your fabric twine. After making this initial fabric twine, I find it easier to attach the end of the twine to a doorknob or a door handle just because it gives a good resistance. And then you really can whip through the fabric twine much faster. You can use different colors, or you can choose to make it all one color. If you want thicker twine, you can cut your strips to be 2 or 4 inches. I find the 4 inches is good for rug making size, so go ahead and experiment with your thickness. Be sure to like our video and subscribe for future video tutorials, and thank you so much for watching. We'll see you all later, okay? Leave us a comment. Bye!